Right boys, welcome back to another motor vlog. We are with my cousin 𝗦𝗻𝗃, what is it, 𝗦𝗃 now, isn't it? 𝗦𝗃. We're headed to Sainsbury's, get some fuel, jet wash the bikes quickly, and then we're going to head to 𝗦𝗽liche 𝗰𝗶𝗹 because I need a new pin lock, meet with Harley on his 10, and then I think we might be going down south for the day, maybe like Portsmouth or New Forest. Actually, I think New Forest would be quite sick in this weather. We're waiting for Harley to come on his 10, and then we're going to go 𝗦𝗽liche 𝗰𝗶𝗹 after we jet wash the bikes because they are looking a bit mucky. Yeah, I want mine higher, so we can swap if you want, Harley. Mate, yours is well higher. No, it feels the same though. Why does mine look so high? Yours look so high up compared to mine? What are you doing, mate? You know the rules. Fucking hell. See the light now? Oh, it's not illegal to go through these lights. Ah, fuck it. It's not illegal anyway. Oh, Ryan, that was well loud. Shut up. You want me to do a burnout? Mate, every red light. Can we just flip and run them? Oh, wait, are we? Oh, do you want me to skid now? Oh yeah, fuck. Oh, that's why I said put it in the lowest mode, innit? Boys, what is wrong with all these potholes? It's all that water we've had. All that rain. Ah. Oh, is this the thumbnail? It's the thumbnail. I noticed my hands hurt way more on this than it did on the 𝗦𝗽. Yeah, like, I don't know what it is. How about you just show me your little? How about you just show me your little chubby? Oh my god! Nah, fuck that. What is this car doing? Ryan's trying to race this Beamer, as usual. Oh! Do these have slipper clutches? Well, it is now. almost ran me off the road. Right, boys, we arrived at 𝗦𝗫liche 𝗰𝗶𝗹. Let's get this pin lock on. Oh, right, boys, so we got a new pin lock. Boys, okay, it's not fucking fogging up straight away, which is nice. Alright, so we're gonna head to McDonald's. That's our lunch, boys, isn't it? Brunch, breakfast, lunch. What are these doing? Why do they do that? They hear a bike and they swerve. I thought you were going to hit my kill switch. You're a oh, I bet he's got a Herald helmet on. Oh, look at that D-cell on your exhaust, man. McDonald's is on the right, Ryan. We're going to a different one. Where are they going into that space? Go, 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 go. Left, left, left. Oh, I thought that was the police. Oh, it is! Ah! Mate, these bikes are so quick. Woohoo! Oi, something's hanging off his tyre. You're clear up here, there's no cars going around that roundabout. No, not from the other direction, look. Right, Ryan, you take out the whole fucking bay, mate. Right, second McDonald's. Let's get it. Eat this and then we'll decide what we're fucking doing, boys. It's probably just gonna be a random ride as usual. But I'll catch you in a sec. Ah! So where do you want to go then? Epsom, yeah? Oh, my kickstand was still down. I didn't stall it, no. Ooh. Why? What's going on here then? Did you not hear it? Right, boys, so we're heading to Epsom Downs now. Get a little... What is wrong with him? Just to get some twisties in, so we're going Epsom Downs because, yeah, maybe pop to Rikers and then probably head home, so... Yeah, look at his new quick action throttle, look. Let me point it out to him. Let me point it out to them. Oh, he's got one as well, look, he's got a nice one as well. This one right here. What is he doing? I knew he was gonna do it as well. I see you in my mirror. Like this one. We are now. I'm putting that back in standard mode. We're going up there. Do what? Scared of it. Yeah, it's nice, these roads. Oi, these roads are nice though, but be careful. No, be careful. Seriously, be careful, Ryan. Ryan, there's about 5 people have died down this road going around these twisties. No, let's make it 8. Let's make it 8. Put your hands away. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh! Fuck yeah, you're running me into the shit, Harley. Harley, I just won't move, mate. And then this movable object meets it. He's even got the little glasses on, isn't he? Oh yeah, do you need screen wash? I'm gonna get nice and low. Oi! Oi, that was sick! Now do a wheelie. Right, second exit. That was pretty low, right, wasn't it? Second exit. Second exit. Pardon? Leaning it feels nice, yeah. And then pull up on the left. There's a nice little stopping place on the left. Up here? Yeah, in the car park. Right, if you park nicely in front, we can get a picture of all 3 of them. Cool, blimey, they look nice, don't they? Oh my god, you got a 𝗦𝗫cie clutch cover. Right, boys, we are heading. I'm gonna ride Harley's one, and Harley's gonna ride mine. But I shouldn't. Should I put it in different traction modes, or will I be alright? Oh, your brake is so far down. Why is it so far over? Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in. TCS2 is better than 1, innit? Yeah. And then, what's your modes? 2 is the highest, innit? I'll put it in 3 for now. Only because I just don't want to mess about, innit? Oh, I hate when they clunk into gear. I hate it. Yeah, it went up alright. Oh, your pulls. Ooh. Your bars feel really like short. I don't know, your bars feel closer together, my arms don't feel as wide. Oh my god, the decel on your bike is bad. Man, that's so loud. That just fucking like backfired like crazy. Your bike does feel weird. It's just like totally different setup. Like even the bars, yeah, the bars actually feel a bit more comfortable for me. I think it's because my arms are like close. Yeah. I don't know what it is about your bike. The power feels more like, oh fucking hell, that was in my chest. That was in my chest. That felt so loud. But I don't know how to explain it. But your bike, yeah, when I pull the throttle, it's like really linear. It feels really like powerful. But when I feel mine, I feel like it's almost, I don't know, because I ride in like B mode. Maybe I need to start riding it in. I need to put it in B mode, not standard. But when I pull the clutch on yours, it feels really like progressive. Like it doesn't feel like it's. Oh, the decal's so loud, huh? It's so loud. It's so loud. Does feel like I'm on a proper hooligan bike though. Your bike does feel like really smooth. I don't think it's twitchy at all. I don't know why the bikes feel so different. It must be mainly the bars. It's got to be mainly the bars. Because this feels like, my arms feel more narrow. Like I can even tell you, your arms are quite wide, like quite stretched out. Because when I sit behind you normally, your back's like normally quite straight. Whereas on that, you look a bit like upper shoulders are hunched. Oh my god. It's so loud. Oh, why can't I can't get into gear, into neutral. There we go. Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you, sorry. Oh yeah, my bars are way wider. Yeah, like my hands were more like here on yours. Like my hands were like, I was more like that, and I was a bit more like, sort of on the tank in a way. Oh! Harley! Don't ever do that. No! Fuck's sake, radio turned on. Alright, see you later, Bruce. Sweet. And you. Oi, get back here right now! 3, 2, 1, go. Right, he's chasing you, mate. He's chasing you. Oh my god, I nearly whiskey throttled. I went to go grab my plate and I pulled my right hand down. Right, boys, I think this might be the end of the vlog. We haven't really done much to be honest, have we? Sort of just rid around. My cousin's got his new Nolan helmet, look at that. Fucking hell, mate. But yeah, I think we'll end that as the vlog, boys. I don't think there's much else going to go on. So, yeah, we should catch you probably in the next one, which will probably be us going... Where are we going next? The next sunny day, innit? Next sunny day we'll go out. So I'll catch you, boys, in the next one. So you can take what you want, go break